Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through videos, articles, and infographics. This video is part one of a 6-part series where I show you how to integrate products of sine and cosine. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral of sine cubed of x cosine squared of x dx. To begin, we factor out a sine, which gives the integral of sine of x sine squared of x cosine squared of x dx. We now rewrite sine squared of x in terms of cosines using the Pythagorean identity. This gives the integral of sine of x times 1 minus cosine squared of x times cosine squared of x dx. We now let u equals cosine of x. The differential is then du equals minus sine of x dx. Multiplying both sides of the differential by -1 then gives minus du equals sine x dx. Substituting into the integral, we obtain the integral of minus 1 minus u squared times u squared du. Distributing negative u squared, we get the integral of u to the 4th minus u squared du. Integrating, we obtain 1/5 u to the 5th minus 1/3 u cubed plus c. Back substituting, we arrive at a final answer of 1/5 cosine to the 5th of x minus 1/3 cosine cubed of x plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.